case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1909, a legal dispute erupted in the Kansas City Court of Appeals, giving birth to the state XREL Stevenson v. Hughes case. The controversy centered on the contentious principle of venue change within garnishment proceedings, a significant procedural matter that stirred the legal waters. The instigators of the dispute, Stevenson and the Stevenson Packing Company, had requested a change of venue from a justice of the peace. The justice resolutely denied this request, resulting in the progression of the case on the basis of agreed facts. The pressing question was whether a venue change in a garnishment procedure was allowable either before or after the answering of interrogatories. In their search for clarity, the court closely examined previous legal authorities. Broad DTJS, PJ, author of the majority opinion, articulated that the Stevenson parties had initiated a circuit court proceeding via mandamus in an effort to coerce the justice of the peace into approving the venue change. The trial court had originally ruled in favor of the Stevenson parties, triggering an appeal from the justice. Shortly thereafter, the appellate court flipped the trial court's decision on its head. It reinforced the justice's choice not to switch the venue, calling the initial request premature, earning unanimous agreement from the judges on the bench. Additionally, the court debated the issue of tendering the assignment of errors. However, this consideration quickly became irrelevant, as the statute requiring such assignments had been recently repealed. The court's decision not only reversed the lower court's ruling, but also brought the once valid Rule 17 of the court to its end.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.